I have a plan. I hope this works. We're going to go to Walt Disney World, Magic Kingdom, go to Town Square, try to grab the Omnibus there, and ride it all the way to Cinderella's castle. Today they have the cavalcade, so I'm going to try to watch the cavalcade with the Toy Story characters. Then we're going to try to find a really good spot to sit by the curb on Main Street, USA, and catch the Festival of Fantasy Parade. Yeah, I want to be like front row. We're getting ready to go, so I'm going to put on my classic Mickey Mouse t-shirt, my Echo shorts, grab my backpack, and we are on our way. We're gonna ride the omnibus right now. We're on the second floor. Oh my God, here we go. And we're gonna take the omnibus all the way down Main Street, USA, and park it at the Cinderella Castle. Wow, that was such a fun ride, guys. We made it all the way to the castle. We just parked. Since we're on the second floor, we gotta wait a little bit, but everyone's getting off. All right, let's head down this way. So they do have two benches and one faces forward, so we were in the front. This is really cool. There's a little antique car over there. Check out these stairs that we gotta go down. Man, the omnibus ride is so cool. Just go to Town Square, you stand by the little sign that says Omnibus, and the bus will come out from the garage, pick you up, bring you all the way to Main Street. So fun. Guys, I think today's vlog is gonna be nothing but fun because when you're here at Magic Kingdom, it's just awesome. Now we're at the popcorn cart. First snack of the day, popcorn. Disney janitorial, I'm so sorry, we've been leaving a trail of popcorn. As we walk, we keep dropping some popcorn here, some popcorn there. It's not easy to eat popcorn while you're walking. We're now at the launching pad, having a little snack over here. For you guys up north, I feel so sorry because for us to get a cool down over here, you guys gotta freeze to death up there, like 19 degrees or something like that. And then like that, we have a nice 60 beautiful day. But today, it's too hot. We were in the sun, and I'm like, let's go to Merchants of Venus because it's just too hot over there. This is much cooler in here. Yeah, so today it's gonna be a high of 83, much warmer than we've had it for a while. We tried to get a couple lightning lanes for Tron and for Mine Train, but they're all sold out. You gotta get up super early so that you're on the app by 7 to get those lightning lanes. They sell out so quick. Right now it's only 1 o'clock. And we checked earlier already and there was nothing. All the lines are pretty long today. They're like at 80 minutes, 55 minutes, 45 minutes. It's gonna be tough to ride something today. We're gonna head over to Star Traders, check out the new merch. That's always a lot of fun for us. Wow, this one's giving me the Polynesian vibe right here. They have so many cool jerseys. There's Spider-Man, they have Lion King, Walt Disney World. Yeah, it just says established 1971. There's a lot of cool merch. I've seen the green one, but I never seen this one. First time I see the blue and white. Oh wow, I hadn't seen this set. Wow, look at this. These are pretty tall. This one looks like it's about 15 inches. This one looks like it's about 12. Simply meant to be. Right on time for Valentine's Day. Yeah, this looks like a Valentine's Day shirt. Sweet. I'm gonna get these for Eva. Add it to the Valentine's Day pile. These are really nice. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good. If you forget to grab a map at the entrance, don't forget that here at the gift shop, they always have the maps by the register. They don't let you film while you're on Tron, so filming some now before we ride. The castle show is happening right now. Yay! Awesome. So they have some awesome fireworks at the end. I hope I catch them because you can see them really cool in the daytime. So which is your favorite, Casey's Corner or the ice cream parlor? Comment below. I want to know. We got a perfect spot to view the parade. I think from here we'll be able to see everything. A-okay. I've been waiting for the grand finale, which is coming up now. Where the magic feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. Woo! I got it. I was just dying to get that part. So we were just sitting here, and all of a sudden this couple just got engaged. And that's them right there, and they have somebody in the middle. Obviously a family member or something. It's funny because I have captured a few engagements here when I've been at Magic Kingdom. It happens all the time.
So cute.
Oh, two little prince boys. Guys, we ran into Pecklesville to have some food, some gasoline for the rest of the day. And it smells so good and it looks so good. So we got the nachos with cheese and we got the meat with the rice and beans. He knows his dance. Woo! Woo! Great job, great job. Oh my God.
He left you hanging.
Oh my God, I'm sorry. See you later. Bye. Oh my God, is it Chip or Dale? Dale. Bye. Bye. Hi.
What happened? Where am I outside?
Oh, because I had this like this. I was talking, and he had his hand out to shake my hand. But I didn't see it because the camera was in the way. But hey, we shook hands at the end.
Life under the sea is better than anything they got up there. The sun is leaving away. While we be walking, the fish is happy. But it's under the sea. Fires and eaters in trigger. We want the land for under the sea. We off the hook. Life is never to believe.
Want to live happy, but you find nowadays I've been to know my ways. Just to get the girl into a hell.
Sitting there across, she don't have a lot to say. So I try and wonder.
We're on the People Mover now. A really nice, fun ride and a relaxing ride. Here we go! Whoa! Woo! That one's fun. There's another one over there. There's another curve that's pretty cool. Whoa! Those two curves are some of the funnest on this ride. The ride has stopped. I don't know what happened, but we're stopped. We're just, at least we're in a lit area. Because further up there is the tunnel.
Tomorrowland for a spin amongst the planets. Dream of a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Attention travelers, your journey has been temporarily delayed. For your safety, please remain seated. Thank you.
Man, I think the vlog turned out just great. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.